Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all well and you are doing good in your projects. So a lot of questions people are asking me because I'm giving the training and just now I completed my PP batch. So sir, how much knowledge is required as a PP fresher? Okay, so there are some criteria. I have my own course content. So what they are expecting with a fresher if you got any training from outside? Okay, so basically you should be aware about the SAP PP master data. So there is a three kind of industries like discrete manufacturing, process industries and repetitive industries. You should have the business knowledge about all these three business industry types. Okay. Then second will be the what are the master data required in SAP PP for discrete manufacturing, process industry and repetitive industry. You should have the knowledge all the T codes. Okay. Now second, what are the PP tables for the master data and transaction data you are using? PP table, standard PP table. Okay. Next, what are the PP basic configuration? So what are the configuration like order type dependent parameter, production scheduling profile, MRP plant parameter, scheduling parameter, order control. Okay. Then confirmation parameter. Okay. So these are the 6 to 7 basic baseline configuration you should be aware. They will not expect much more that like interface. Did you work on interface? Because you are a fresher. So PP business flow, PP flow, a planning type. Yeah, main important is a planning type. So make to stock and make to order. So MTS is if you are using the make to stock, then your PP flow start with the demand planning. Then you will execute the MRP. Then plan order will generate. Then you will convert to plan order to production order. If discrete manufacturing, if there is a process industry, you will convert to process order. Then a material ability check. Okay. Then you have to release the production order or process order. Okay. Then you have to do the confirmation. Then stock will update. Then month end, you have to do the technically complete. So this is the PP standard flow. Okay, you should aware PP table, PP reports, COIS. Okay, you should know. Okay, so these are the basic information. At least you should be aware during your interview as a fresher. Okay, so I'm repeating again. All three industry knowledge you have in SAP and business functionality also. PP flow, MTS, MTO. Then PP table, PP master data, PP table, PP reports, how much reports you are using, PP configuration. So these are the information you should be aware. Okay. Thank you. If you have any questions regarding SAP PP interview, you can call me or message me. I will guide you. Thank you so much. Take care.